Warren Buffett is no longer just a fan of Amazon, he's a shareholder as well. Shares in the e-commerce giant are rising in pre-market trading after the billionaire investor said Berkshire Hathaway has built a stake in the company. Now, he admits he was an idiot for not buying into Amazon sooner. Well, joining us now is Matt Bloxham of Bloomberg Intelligence. I mean, Matt, I love the fact that he's always talking in this plain speaking English. I should have bought it before. Yep. What does it mean for the share price?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's a great endorsement, isn't it, of the company? And, you can understand why the share price has gone up hugely and he's missed it. But you can understand why he missed it because he's a very value-focused investor. Amazon has this kind of long history of essentially reinvesting every dollar they've made back into the business to expand the kind of scope of their operations. And he's always focused on businesses that he understands. And I guess you could argue that, Amazon's kind of diversified into so many different directions that perhaps he just couldn't really get his head around where this company was going to make its money from.
Okay, but do you need to ask yourself why he didn't understand it before? Because for a lot of, if you look at the share price, it's been quite, incredible. Really.
Yeah, it has, yeah. Well, and I guess there was clearly other investment opportunities he saw that were more compelling, that he could understand more easily. And, it's never screened well on valuation. Even now, it's in a kind of 30, 40 times PE range. It used to be in the kind of 80, 100 plus. So I think it probably just never kind of got beyond his kind of initial screening. And, now it's a more stable business. Cash flow has tripled in the last year on a trailing 12-month basis. So it's now kind of looking like a more kind of investable business, I guess.
Matt, I got 8 questions. I got time for one. Is the whole ballet of Mr. Bezos, do you see that it is scalable to India, to China, and to any other nations of the world?
I think definitely India. I mean, I guess China is a tricky one because there are so many well-established competitors there. So that could be a really difficult one for them to break into. But India is still kind of a gold mine of opportunity for everybody. So I think there's definitely scope there.
Right.